Government job, a dream or a mirage? Friends, today we will discuss why and how millions of youths are wasting their precious time and energy in the search of government job. It is a dream because of its lucrative packages and perks with lifelong security. But it is also a mirage because of its scarcity, very high demand and very low supply. Please note, we are not discouraging youth to pursue government jobs, but we suggest not to spoil their youthful period and their family investment in case it turns to be sour grapes for them. In comparison to all other career options, government jobs in India are most lucrative and highly paid. They offer the best packages, job security, attractive perks like housing, medical, education for children, interest free loan, traveling, entertainment, and so many allowances. It even provides pensions after retirement, not only to the employee but to his next generation, and a provision of job opportunity for the family member as substitute. For instance, the pay and perks of a government school teacher employed even in the rural area is almost double compared to his peer in a top public school in Delhi. Similarly, a government driver package is more than 1 lakh compared to 30-40,000 earning in a private sector. The case is not different even for engineers and doctors. At initial stage, the pay and perks of government engineers are much higher compared to their peers in the private sectors. And on a lighter note, most of the government employees have unlimited opportunity to make huge money otherwise. Thus, any government job has a very high value and demand even in matrimonial market. Considering all these attractive features, it is no wonder that millions of youth are drawn to government jobs, especially towards administrative services. Even parents are forcing their children to pursue careers in government sector. Now, the question is, if the government job is so lucrative, why we are calling it a mirage? The answers lie in the supply and demand dynamic. The success rate of getting the government job versus the number of youth applying is less than 0.1%, meaning 1 person in every 1,000. Today, millions of youth between 20 to 35 age are spending their precious time chasing government jobs like deer chase a mirage in the deserts. They spend their time and money in coaching and competitive exam for years and years, which turns to be a gambling game. If succeeded, it is a lottery for life. But if failed, it is devastating for himself and for his family. During this so-called long coaching period, youth confine themselves in a dark chamber where he is totally cut off from the society and its development. When all the attempts fails, his self-created chamber breaks like a ceiling glass. He finds himself unfit for the society and other tasks as he has never tested his skill in the society. There is a high chance that youth goes to depression. Even the family face bad period in the term of spending their lifelong saving and social boycott from the society and the relative. The mirage of government job is creating youth who are totally unfit and unemployable for the society. The false propaganda of the mass media and the coaching classes only focus the rare success story but never show the harsh reality of the million of unsuccessful youths. We, as a parent, should not get trapped in such propaganda, forcing our children in these dark chambers of coaching classes. We should judicially take this call, accepting our child capability. Also, we should encourage and advise our children to work along with the preparation for the competitive exam. This way, he will be well connected with the society and it's happening along with his preparation. As he is always in the society, his understandings of supply and demand dynamics of career market is better otherwise. This way, it brings balance in his physical, mental, emotional, and financial well being. So, friends, in conclusion, youth should not consider the government job as the only opportunity. It is one among the many options. One should try recognizing his own limitations and capabilities but should not gamble for the full life. Thank you, friends.